Okay, so let's have this problem. So each of the four neighbors, Sean, Maria, Sarah, and Brian, has a different occupation: the editor, the banker, the chef, and the dentist. Then from the following clues, determine the occupation of each neighbor. So to solve for this problem, we're going to use the deductive reasoning using these different clues. So for the first clue, Maria gets home from work after the banker but before the dentist. So therefore Maria is not a banker and not a dentist. Then for the second clue, Sarah, who is the last to get home from work, is not the editor. So Sarah is not the editor. But since Sarah is the last one to get home from work, then from the first clue, the banker is the first one to get home. So therefore, Sarah is not a banker. Then for the third clue, the dentist and Sarah leave from work at the same time, so Sarah is not a dentist. Then for the last clue, the banker lives next door to Brian, so Brian is not a banker. So based from this table, we can identify that Sarah is a chef. So since Sarah is a chef, so therefore Sean is not a chef, Maria is not a chef, and Brian is not a chef. Then for Maria, Maria is an editor. So Sean is not an editor and Brian is not an editor. Then for Brian, Brian is a dentist. So therefore, Sean is not a dentist and Sean is a banker. So we have Sean is a banker, Maria is an editor, Sarah is a chef, and Brian is a dentist.